Alright, we got it reprogrammed. This one, the power supply, the POE got wet and it reset the CPE, so I had to put another POE and reprogrammed the CPE. And now we got the speed. Great. Alright. Yeah, that'll do. That will do. All right. Now we go log into WISP and go get the registration key and go put that in. Let's see over here. Let's see where you at. Services. Enable. There we go. Enable that. Save it. Apply. And that should make it show up back in their account. As I got a cell phone up here with the app, I'm watching it, waiting for it to turn green. Okay, there we go. I'm just waiting for it to connect. Should be another block come up right here. This is the LAN, this is the WAN side, which should come up. As soon as it scans through the frequencies over here and finds the right one and then checks the password and locks in. There we go. Puts the WAN over here, LAN here. That should turn green. Waiting for this right here to indicate that it's WISP. People want to keep calling me, which I don't have no idea who they are, so I don't answer. Just waiting for it to connect. Should start turning green because the timer on it's changed from 14 days to seconds, so it should start getting back to the WISP. Let's go to WISP and see if it's adopt. Confirm, which that's different. Like here, stations.
What are you doing?
30.
Come here.
There we go. Now it's all green. There we go.
You're just spoiled rotten little boy. You are.
Okay. Now let's minimize that. Let's do this again. Supposed to be getting 60. The good old number is 60. Okay, we got our 60. Let's see if we go to speedtest.net. Let's see what this one does. Never had that one actually ever go where it should be. Let's try this one. See what we got. It looks like Wi-Fi man is the one to go with. It's getting to 60. Okay. Now we're going to plug back into their router back in and see if it works. Everything should be ready to go. Should be getting 60. And we're doing 69, 70. So we're doing good. Put that little buffer in there. Yes, sir. Doing good, doing good. All right, 70 and 5 up. Do it again. And this is wireless. Yeah, we definitely getting our speed.
What is it?
Yes, sir.
What is it? He likes to stick in.
Okay,
He likes
that does that one.
to-
Now we have one to go uninstall.
What are you doing?
Unless they still want us to put this on the inside, we will check and see.